Hi everyone. In this video, we will learn how to stay in the same cell after pressing the Enter key in Excel. Normally, when we type something in a cell and press Enter, Excel moves us to the cell below. But sometimes, especially when entering a lot of data, we want to stay in the same cell. There are two ways to do this. First method, after typing your text, press Ctrl-Enter. This will keep the cursor in the same cell. However, using Ctrl-Enter every time can be difficult and frustrating when working with large data. Second and better method, Excel has a built-in option for this. Go to File, then click on Options. In the Advanced section, look for the option, after pressing Enter, Move Selection. By default, the direction is set to down. We don't need to change the direction. Instead, simply untick this option. Now click OK. That's it. Now, when you type something in a cell and press Enter, the cursor will stay in the same cell. This is very useful when entering or editing repetitive data. To learn more useful Excel tutorials, watch my other videos. Thanks for watching and subscribe.